what it tastes like, which is throwing me off. Kareem, guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Literally just got out of the shower, so that is exactly why my hair is soaking wet. I'm just gonna blow dry my hair. Anyway, before I get into this video, I wanted to tell you what this video is gonna be about. I'm gonna attempt with my whole entire heart and soul to do Ramadan vlogs, which means I'm going to try to post every single day or every other day. I just want to document Ramadan this year because I feel like Ramadan is one of my favourite times of the year, and I would love to show you guys what I get up to in Ramadan, and I just love watching people's Ramadan vlogs, so I thought, why not do it myself? It's like so late. What time is it? It is, it's not that late, it's 10 o'clock right now. To like reset my room and stuff like that, because I thought I want to go into Ramadan with a clean room and I want to get through some of my laundry at least. So that is literally all I've done today, and we dropped off my mother-in-law, father-in-law to the airport. I've gone to Umrah for the whole of Ramadan, which is absolutely amazing for them, but that means our house is going to be so quiet because they're not here, so it's going to be a bit of a different Ramadan this year. And I think they are going to be coming back and eat. So yeah, that's all I've been up to today really, and just getting some work done. And I don't know what I'm going to post before this video, but if I do post my pre-birthday shenanigans of what I've been getting up to, I will, then you guys will, it will make sense what I'm talking about. Because basically my husband bought me an iPad, a lilac iPad for my birthday, and guys, I just have wanted an iPad for so long, and I don't know why, I just have, with the pen, and it writes, so I'm really excited to keep using it. And I don't really know what apps to download, so if you have any recommendations of what iPad apps to download, leave them down below please, because I need some help there. You guys probably saw in the last video I got my tragus pierced, which is, I need to clean it right now because it's really irritating me. I'm even gonna dry it yet. I'm just gonna let it air dry a little bit, which yeah. So I just, oh my god, I need to clean my piercings, so that's what we're doing right now. This is the thing that I use to clean my piercings, and I just kind of like spray like that. Spray like that. That's, the rest of my piercings are fine. I don't regularly clean them because they're like kind of healed. But these two, obviously this one I just got done. Oh my god, I've not even like, oh, I don't even know how to clean this. It's like, I'm gonna not clean that too much because this one has been a pain, the biggest pain of my life. It literally doesn't heal. Helixes are like very hard to heal in my opinion, so I don't think I'd get another helix. I'm gonna quickly do my skincare routine, which I'll probably have to wash off later because I'm gonna try my best to pray all of my namaz, and oh, yeah, because I'm just gonna have to pray later because it's Ramadan and we want to keep up with our prayers this time. But I'm just going to do like a light skincare routine. Got questions on my skin. But you know what? Some people have been saying to me, your skin is so nice, your skin. And my skin literally has been breaking out so bad. And it's just making me so annoyed. Because it's literally my birthday on Friday. This is the Medicube Zero Pore pads. And I use like the rough side and I just like get in there. You know what I mean? Just get in there. Get all that gunk off my face. Blemish here. So I need to put on a pimple patch, and I use these ones from Pixie. They're so good, I love them. This actually got sent to me in PR me so many times. So I'm just gonna do a bit of it. And then me and Ali are actually gonna go get a bubble tea because I'm been fasting all day, so I want to get my cravings out of the way. Clinique moisturizer that I always use because this just does me good. Makes my skin all nice. Go down the stairs and see what's going on. Say hello!
Hello!
Say hi, everybody. It's not sticking on my face.
She's gonna snap it.
Seha wants to grab my camera, but obviously we can't do that, okay? Miss Cutie. No! No!
No, I'm not.
Look at, go get Ellie's phone.
No.
No, it's so cute. That is Ali's niece, which is his sister's daughter. Just so that makes sense to you.
No.
Oh.
No, no.
Who's this?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's Kareem.
I'm not crying. I just have a thing where if I think that I'm having something, I need to make sure I have that thing. Does that make sense?
Yeah,
but it's
life
closed.
like
I know, but okay, but it's closed and I'm so sad. So now we're just gonna go home with no bubble tea. Brown sugar milk tea with tapioca is my absolute favourite, but yeah. But I thought it'd be open because it's Ramadan. I know where we can go. I've just texted Anna to ask if she wants something else. Because we all just had our orders ready. You know what I mean? But we're going to Moonlight now instead. And I'm going to get myself a... What am I going to get? Honeycomb ice cream. Are you going to go to Shakehouse? So why are you driving up here?
Because you told me too late that it's open.
Alright.
So I'd made my way towards these roads.
We're going to Great Horden Road. If you've never had Moonlight Honeycomb, I don't know what you're doing because it's amazing. And I would just order just that every day.
Okay, ring up. Let me order. What did
Nen
Nancy
just
say?
texted me.
Ask her what does the mood want.
She said honeycomb and raspberry apple. Oh my god.
She wants a milkshake though.
Yes.
Yeah. Ask the mood.
What about...
This is my new RS3, my brother.
Let's not talk about RS3.
Yeah, my brother.
What do you have to say?
RS3, my brother.
Are you excited about Ramadan?
Let my hair grow out all of Ramadan.
Look what she said. She said, haha, let me bring him.
Oops, please. Can I get a chocolate fudge cake and custard, please?
I don't have food now. I mean, dessert. Gonna go get that. I don't know. Are you gonna go to sleep? Are you gonna do it all nighter?
I don't sleep. Sleep is a luxury for the rich.
Okay, Ali, but what are you gonna do?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't sleep, I just told you.
No, but are you gonna sleep? Are you gonna wake up? Sleep?
Sleep, or are you gonna wake me?
Are you gonna wake up for Sarah? Are you gonna stay awake all night?
You should definitely sleep.
I am gonna sleep because I need sleep.
At the top.
Yep. Okay, guys. So we've got the goods. We're gonna take it home now and munch on it because Ali hasn't ate all day. This is just his dinner, really.
That's me. So, didn't eat today. Actually, I had yogurt to fix it. I need to add Jermaine. Is it Joanne or Jermaine?
I thought it was Jermaine.
But on the box it says a Joanne.
I don't know why it says that.
I don't know. What's it called in English?
I got no idea. It is my ice cream. This is the ice cream. Yeah.
Want some?
No.
No. Yeah.
I guess that's probably one of the worst cakes I've had in my life.
Yeah. Ali, can you give us some? Actually, the next day now, and I woke up so late. I missed Sari time, so there's no video of any footage of Sahoor. So that's fantastic. And then I just prayed now, and I'm just getting ready for the day. And I'm filming some content for TikTok, and then I'm gonna go to food shop. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. But yeah, that was really eventful. I'm so sad that I didn't get up. I'm not really hungry or anything like that, and there's only like 2 hours till fast opens. But it's like I just feel sad because I wanted to make that breakfast, which was avocado and toast. And I love that breakfast, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna quickly get ready. I'm just in the middle of like doing my brows. I'm just using this product from L'Oreal, and I'll put on the screen the video that I'm filming so you guys can make sure you guys follow my TikTok. Before we get into this video completely though, please make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. I'm officially ready, and I matched my bed and my chair because I'm wearing grey. But I decided today I'm gonna try my absolute best, even throughout Ramadan, to wear the hijab, and I just think it looks so cute, but I don't know how to feel about it. I just filmed like a little video on TikTok of me styling this. I completely match my outfit, but this is the only colour I had on hand. So yeah, so this is my outfit for the day. It's just this chiffon abaya from MUN. The hijab is also from MUN. Maybe I should just took this part. It's just how it's looking. I'm gonna go down now because I need to go do food shop for iftar and quickly make my iftar because I want, today me and Ali were like, we want marry chicken and pasta, and that is just what I'm craving. Even though I'm not hungry right now, and I consistently keep forgetting that I'm fasting, but this is probably the shortest fast I've ever had in my life. So in the car, and Ali was laughing at me. He said that it looks, what do you think? Tell them what you think.
It looks nice. I just said,
look, I can hide my double chin.
I just said it looks like I'm going out with someone else, not my wife.
So we're going shopping now, and you know, my outfit really matches because it's grey and grey and grey. Okay guys, we've just literally come to Lidl because it's next to us, so that is basically our last shopping day. We didn't get lots of stuff, but we got everything that we need. But it's so busy here, so I think we need to hurry up. We've only got an hour to cook and eat. I am trying.
Edit it. Come on, look out there. Don't put this on.
I'm trying my absolute best to be a good vlogger today, but that was the fastest food shop we've ever done.
Yeah, don't put this kind.
We need to go get some chicken.
Chicken, should I get chicken steak? Like strip, like chicken
chicken breast, but
steaks.
yeah.
Then you cook it, cut it and slice it,
Yeah.
put it on top of it.
Yeah, that's what we do. Not hungry yet. No.
Flip out and use it.
Can't be in the supermarket. Hurry up, hurry up. And I was like, what do you mean? He's like, we don't have enough time. I said, Ali, it's going to take me 30 minutes to make. He's like, no. But like,
You got makeup all over your stuff.
but here, that's because I put it on that way. So then what can I do? What is this?
That is it?
A whole tub?
Yeah, that's the mix.
I'm going to show you what we've got. We've got some of this. I don't know what this is.
Okay,
I'm
bye.
just showing everybody what we got because obviously I didn't show the vlog. See you later.
Actually, no.
Garlic granules, mozzarella, pasta, but it's a lot of pasta. I don't think I'm going to use it all today, obviously, but this pasta, tomato puree, peppers, this is a bag of chicken. So yeah, I'm going to get into this now. I'm probably going to film this for TikTok, so I won't film the entire recipe for YouTube, but maybe I'll put a snippet of the video in all whilst I'm doing it. So. Into a plate. I don't know why I separated that because it's all going to go in together anyway. Also adding some spinach in here, so this is the spinach washed. And it's, isn't it? Quite a bit of yogurt. There's like 5 pieces of chicken breast in there. Some tomato puree in this as well because we're, I don't know, I like my food seasoned, so garlic granules, just a little bit of this. Chicken is done. I'm gonna add all of the veg in. Put pasta on for a boil over there, and then this is my sauce, and I have absolutely no idea what it tastes like, which is throwing me off because what if it's really bad, but we'll just hope for the best. And got the chicken in there, bro.
What is it?
Allah, kuma hindi lang kasang tawa bigamo to.
Pwede ka to ala risky ka after to.
Okay, ako whatever.
I don't mind if it's got spiders in it. I eat the spiders as well.
No, thank you. This is the plate of food, and I think it's nice. Ali's plate is there. What do you think? It's nice.
Ali, chicken hai.
It's all of our phones. It's the family group.
I'm seeing that.
I just dropped it everywhere.
Have you?
What do you mean? He's making me feel so awkward. I'm trying, and he's making me feel awkward.
Do you keep Rosa? She's eating the full wrap herself. She's held it. He hasn't broke or anything. Look. What's everyone having? Shows.
We're just playing catch, guys, because we actually are. Oh.
Okay. Very fast. Is that fast?
I want to go get that bubble tea today. You said I could have it. Hey guys, so we decided we're gonna go and get some bubble tea today because we're actually not late. And then by having some bubble tea, and I'm probably just gonna end up getting some work done and then going to sleep. You just park and they bring it to your car. Tea with brown sugar milk tea with tapioca. Like a bed. We've got the bubble tea now. I'm gonna take this home and have it to drink. I hope we got the right one though. So we got the milk iced tea. I don't know if we got the right one, but that's what it looks like. I hope it's right.
Oof. Close. And then.
Okay, let's taste it. It is the right one.
You try it here.
If you've not tried this from Berries in Bradford, you should try it. It's actually really nice.